Hi traders, this is Sin with the New Level Trading Report for Monday, June 13th. Standard & Poor's cut its rating on Greece 3 notches, making it the lowest rated government debt in the world. The market was basically flat today. The Dow, Nasdaq, and the S&P gained about a point. The Russell was up 20 cents, and the dollar had a 4-cent gain. So a lot of nothing going on today in the markets, although we did have some tradable stocks. This is a 5-minute chart of our Dow Jones index, and as you can see on Friday, that heavy sell-off, but we've just continued that chop throughout the day. We had a low around the 11,917 area, bounced a bit back to the opening numbers, and then just sold off just a bit into the close. This is what we look like on a daily chart of the Dow, and as you can see, this is a primary trend line, and I actually drew a secondary trend line, and as you can see, fairly steep. We're ending with a doji today on just a below average volume, so we'll continue to watch that, but I see basically we do have a little bit of support here around the 11,800 area, and then if we lose that, we're right around 11,540. So we'll continue to watch that. Let's take a look at our S&P futures, and again, not too much difference, although you can see quite a bit more chop in pre-market, and then we came down to this low around 1259, bounced right back up, and pretty much made almost a triple top up here around 1271. This is what we look like on a daily chart, and as you can see, we're coming into that 200 period moving average. This is a simple moving average. If we do lose that, then it looks like we'll go into that 1240 area here, but again, we actually have a spinning top, and we're actually on above average volume, so I'm anxious to continue to watch that, see what happens. Let's take a look at our dollar, because obviously that's the story right now, and you can see we sold off just a bit overnight and chopped a bit throughout the day. This is what we look like on a daily, and we're just coming up to Friday's high, and we're actually on this red candle on lower than average volume, so to me that's still telling me that the industrial and commercial buyers are interested in still going long the dollar. So again, we'll continue to watch that. It's very important to the markets and what the stocks are doing and so forth. Let's take a look at our finviz.com charts, and as you can see, the Dow, Nasdaq, and the S&P in overview just came down and had that nice tweezer bottom on all three, and then just came right back up to the opening numbers. So again, not much happening, but let's take a look at our heat map, and this will tell you what our sectors are doing. And as you can see, financials actually have a little bit of green. Bank of America is up a little over 1%, but you can see again green there, and then the one that stands out to me are the basic material stocks, and especially the oil stocks did not really have a good day today. But let's look at our bubble study. That'll show us some of the individual stocks that did well. VFC, which is VF Corporation, which is a textile company, looks like it was up about 10%. So that was a really nice move. Citibank, as I said, some of the banks did really well today, was up about 3.3%. SHLD, which is Sears, up about a little over 5%. But as you can see, I'm just going to move this a bit here. Wells Fargo was up about 2.3%. JP Morgan was up a little over 1.5%. So again, stocks to the upside. Financials did fairly well. This is what we look like on the downside. As I said, the oil companies didn't do as well today. This is Neighbors Industries, and it's an oil company, down a little over 4%. DNR, which is Denbury Resources, again another oil company, also down about 4.5%. ANR, which is Alpha Natural Resources, down about 4% as well. So you can see some of the commodities, and Halliburton obviously down about 2.3%, but commodities and oils did not do well today. I'm going to show you. Let's see, this is actually something that we're working on here at New Level Traders. If you can't spend all day in the markets trading and being in our chat room, we have a new way to watch the market action. It's our New Level Trader Alert tab. We call trades throughout the day without a lot of chat, and as you can see, in this area here, we're long CMI. We also are trading the futures. As you can see, we've talked about PCLN, and again, this is just another way of watching stocks without having to pay as much attention to chat and so forth, but we do more education and so forth in our chat room. So again, let's take a look at some of the stocks. Actually, Don was short. He was had some nice bear call spreads on PCLN, and he was also long puts. Had a really nice day. You can see we just pretty much had a nice downtrending day throughout the day. He was up about $1,285 on about 4 trades, and that was on PCLN. You can see we've lost some support here, and Don took advantage of that today. So some really nice trading on that. He also traded CMG Chipotle Mexican Grill for about an $870 gain. He paired some of his gains with losses on Google and silver futures, but he still had a profit for the day. Tomorrow in economic news, we have producer price index, the retail sales, and business inventories report. Earnings tomorrow are Best Buy, which is BBY. And if you'd like to take a look at our website, we'd love to talk to you about education or membership. NewLevelTraders.com. You can talk to Brian, and the number's on our website. In fact, it's 341-269-0412. Thanks again for checking in. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.